Mike from Mike's Custom Works. I am doing something a little different. Obviously on our YouTube channel we post a lot of different shit, from me and costumes, from car shows, to me building cars, and also me cooking. But one thing I do want to show you, while it is wintertime in a wonderful February in New York, it is 45 degrees outside right now, which is odd for February or for New York at this time of year. But what I do have, I wanted to show everybody, is the home lit, whatever the hell. Had a few beers, seems like lit, looks like light. Alright, it's a 14-inch chainsaw electric. It probably has less than an hour of usage on it right now. So, what I want to show everybody is how well they actually cut, because as a lot of people will say, if you look at the size of this wood and the size of my hand, average man hand, okay, just got some big wood. You want a chainsaw that's going to outperform everything else. And by the look of the sawdust, wood chips on the ground, you can tell that this thing has been chopping along pretty good. So I'm going to put you down. You guys are going to watch and do a few cuts, and you guys can choose if it's something you want or not.
Or jump on a beach bike or paddle.
To learn more about applying for health insurance.
Get that big one over here.
This Valentine's Day, show her she's loved with the perfect gift from Pandora Jewelry. Explore new bracelets, charms, rings, earrings, and necklaces. Hand finished with playful details and sweet engravings that send personal messages of love. Shopping love.
Trying to sell your phone, car, truck, SUV, or motorcycle? Well,
roll it back up so I can grab the top of it.
Vehicle plus AutoBuy equals you getting paid the max. AutoBuy wants to buy your quality pre-owned vehicle. Did you know AutoBuy also buys high-end and exotic? Visit RepayTheMax.com. Schedule your appointment today.
Yeah, that's why I decided to use this, not scrap again.
Yeah, that's a goddamn good idea.
I might just keep one of them, scrap the other.
You can't see it because, you know, radio invisibility. You know what else is super duper real?
Yeah, I'll finish up cutting and then I gotta submit the video.
Water
So.
from leaking everywhere. So you see why it feels useless compared to Geico, who does so much more. Like not only did Geico save you money, but they've been around for over 75 years.
The best diner on Long Island, as voted by News 12, located across from Babylon Town Hall at 185 East Sunrise Highway. Selling discounted building materials for a fraction of retail, with 100% of the proceeds benefiting.
And that's it. A lot of the wood is not seasoned. Some of it is seasoned. It's been sitting here since probably January. In the woods and the snow and the rain and the weather, and it's really about it. But you can see how quickly it just cuts through that stuff. It's definitely worth the buy, and it's I think it's about I think $60 on Amazon. I remember how much it was on Amazon. Was it 60 bucks or 160 bucks?
I don't remember. I have to look at my card.
Well, somewhere around there. Look it up on Amazon. It's definitely worth the buy. Comes in a couple days. This is Mike from Mike's Custom Works signing out. I got some more wood to cut with the chop saw. But that's how you can make quick work of 2 logs of all different sizes. It's also very nice and lightweight too. So a lot of times you notice I was holding it with one hand. It is a dangerous act. If it does swing back and it hits you in the knee, it will cut you pretty bad or chop your leg off. So don't do that unless you're a skilled person who has done this type of work before. I used to be a lumberjack, so holding a saw in one hand and dangling from a tree with the other is something I'm very used to doing. But be careful, be safe, and definitely buy one of these, because this makes cutting wood freaking cinch. Oh, and the other thing, it doesn't come with bar oil, so make sure you buy bar oil. And if you have bar oil from a chainsaw that you've had that has stopped working, like I have multiple chainsaws that have stopped working and tons of bar oil, you don't need to buy any at that point. Bar oil is bar oil. It doesn't make a difference. All right, everybody, that's it. Have a good one.